Hello, kids. Welcome to the wonderful world of colors. Colors are everywhere around us, making the world bright and beautiful. Let us explore each color and discover fun objects that match them. Let us begin. Red, apple, balloon, car, orange, carrot, pumpkin, orange, yellow, sun, banana, mango, pink, rose, dragon fruit, cake, green, leaf, avocado, broccoli, blue, butterfly, blue whale, blueberries, purple, eggplant, plum, cabbage, brown, coconut, dates, chocolate, white, egg, reddish, garlic, black, tire, blackberries, onyx.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Playful Panda, let us learn and laugh together.